living my dreams, living my dreams, living my dreams, living my dreams. I had a dream last night, did everything.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a nap time tidy up, just trying to get the house cleaned up during nap time. It's actually not going to take us that long, but I just like to do a little quick reset and then I can do whatever else I want to during nap time. It just helps maintain the house. I feel like the lighting is so bright. Sorry about that. Whoa, wrong way. Let's see. Okay, so that's a little bit better. So we're starting out today. The kids are eating lunch and then Wacy always goes down for a nap. So I'm going to quickly just clean up my room. We were rushing out the door this morning because Waverly had a field trip to the fire station. So we got back from that. Well, we went to Walmart and then got back from that. I actually got off to change the angle. I got some new jeans that I tried on and I'm really liking them. So hopefully I continue. But we're going to get the bed made up in here, probably vacuum. And then I have a whole pile of laundry that I'm just going to stick in the hallway, and then I will start that load once I get Wacy down for a nap and Waverly gets done eating lunch. Waverly's probably going to just do quiet time in the kitchen because, like, coloring, because she got a coloring book from the fire station that she's so excited about. So let's go ahead and get going.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time,
like I mentioned before, I started out in the bedroom and then I moved on into the bathroom and then we just kind of worked our way around the house. Definitely love to do these little resets throughout the day, but especially like at lunchtime, I love to make sure the house is very clean, whether it's before the kids start eating lunch. Sometimes it's like cleaning up the kitchen while they're eating lunch, or the living room, just getting things picked up, or sometimes I will finish it while they go to bed. I like to have it done kind of before so that way I can use my nap time just for a mom break, doing what I would like to do, whether that's filming, editing, just sitting and relaxing. You never know, it's always kind of different. But today, since we were at the fire station in the morning, our house is a little bit messier than normal just because of the chaos, but I really like to regularly keep up on it so it's not as messy as it typically is. Normally it doesn't take me hardly any time, and this video honestly didn't take me that long to get all this done too, and I did more than what I typically do. But I also needed to make sure I got lots of laundry done because Trajan was going out on a snowmobiling trip. He's already back, but I needed to get some laundry done for that because he was wanting me to clean some of his writing stuff, so I needed to get that done. And then as you can see, I washed our tennis shoes, just giving them a nice little reset cleaning. So went ahead and got all those put up so we could get them put away too.
You wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me
will have to let me know down in the comments, are you the type of person that does like these midday kind of resets, or do you just kind of let it all stay until the end of the night and reset then, or just, you know, whenever you feel like it type thing? I definitely used to be the type of person who would kind of wait to do like the dishes. I would kind of clean up, but I would just kind of like let the mess be for the day, and then at night I would clean. But I found that was like consuming my whole night. So I found doing these mini resets is really good, and then it takes me and my husband about like maybe 10 to 15 minutes to get like the dishes from dinner done, toys if there is any. Usually we have the kids kind of pick them up. And it doesn't take very long. Maybe fold a load of laundry and then we're done, and we can just do whatever we want for the rest of the night, and it really is nice. And then the house is cleaned, and then the next morning we have like a reset, cleaned house, and it just feels so good, because even the times that I would like leave the dishes overnight, it just would instantly be like set my day to just be chaos. So my biggest tip, if you're like just feeling like you always live in chaos, if your house is messy, trying to just do little mini resets and picking up throughout the day so you can actually have it be manageable to go to bed with a clean house is my best tip. Honestly, it's saved me so much this last like couple years that I've been trying to do it. It doesn't always work, but I definitely try.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind.
We are now moving into the kitchen. We needed to get things kind of picked up and cleaned around here. Not doing a ton of deep cleaning today. I'm going to save that for a different day, but just definitely needed to get things reset. I had some things that needed to go downstairs for my husband, so had that going down there so we could get that done. Needed to put the kids' clothes downstairs so I could get that done after I did the rest of our laundry that I was doing before. You'll see I switched the clothes at the very end of this video. But wiping down the counters, now we're going to do the dishes here in a second. Need to unload this dishwasher and then load up any of the old dishes, all of that. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and that you were able to get a little bit of motivation to get something done around your house, and you can like set a timer or watch this video as you're cleaning to be like your timer. Okay, I have 13 minutes to get as much as cleaning done as I can, and you'll be surprised how much cleaning you actually can get done during this video. Or if you're like, I just need a little bit of a break, watch this video for, you know, the 13 minutes, and then you can get up and be motivated to tackle something really quick, turn on some music, turn on another video, whatever you need to do to get motivated. That always helps me the most, and I feel like it kind of just depends on if I would just, you know, if I clean really good, I can watch this video or watch a movie, or I'll watch this movie while I'm cleaning. You know, it just kind of depends. But I hope you guys all enjoyed the video and you got some cleaning motivation. Thank you guys all so much for being here and watching, and I will see you all in my very next one. Bye.
I don't wanna be alone, spend too much time by myself. So many things that I still don't know. It's time for me to move on. I want you right here, but you're all across the globe. Never call me back, even though you're on your phone. Wishful thinking gets the best of me, hoping that it's still you and me. Yeah, I thought we'd always shine, just some time off we'd be fine. Guess that I was wrong this time. When I think about it now, I know that I don't. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I do not wanna give you more of my life. You're just gonna waste it now, not sure if I'll make it out. I do not wanna give you more of my life. I'm all in with my mind. Will you ever call me back? How am I supposed to go if we never said